Welcome back to sandparts.com TV. We're looking at some pedal assemblies today. So this is a CNC, it's part number CNC 112BB. It's a roller pedal assembly. It's not technically a roller, but it's got this built-in pedal. It's a really nice unit. It's got a 7/8 brake and a 3/4 clutch. This, you see, it includes your little adapters to go from I think it's like a 1/4 MPT to 3/16 American line. This deal retails right now, it's $262.99. So this is like really the top. This is one of the most popular units I sell. It's really simple to install. You know, CNC makes a great product. You know, a lot of the other companies. This brand here is the import brand, so it's basically a copy of the CNC. I mean, if you look at the pedals, how they look, I mean, it's literally the same thing. I'm sure that the company took this CNC, sent it to China, and copied it and made this deal. So anyway, if you look at the side profile, I mean, you can really tell that they're very similar. The CNCs come with, this model comes with the short square master cylinders. Once again, this is the most popular. The only thing about this that's not ideal is it doesn't have the quick fills. So this part number here, this is my import brand. It's part number AC798511. It's on special right now for $169.99. So you know, it's a great unit. I mean, I sell a lot of these units as well. It's you know, these master cylinders, let's face it, they eventually start leaking. I mean, if you really want to get a high quality product, go with the CNC. But if you want to save a few bucks, you know, this is a great product. I mean, I would run this on my car. Just keep in mind that these things are going to leak sooner than the CNCs. CNCs, it's going to last 5 to 10 years, no problem. You know, this brand, I mean, let's face it, the innards are out of China. They're not as the best quality, but you know, you can always rebuild these with the CNC parts later. So get you started with this one and then upgrade to the CNC. Now, this one does not come with the port box. It does have, you notice, it's a tall master cylinder with the quick fills. Okay. The other thing about this is the CNC one actually comes with a slave cylinder. So you know, the CNC is a little more expensive, but you're gonna get the slave. You add the slave here, slave on the import brand, you're looking about 50 bucks. So to add the quick fills on the CNC brand is about 50 bucks. So you know, I mean, you're gonna save probably about a good 50 to 100 bucks by going with this brand here, just based on how you put it together. But you know, it is from China, so you know, I would run it on my car if money was really a concern. And it's a quality, and it's basically a copy. You know, I mean, they just knocked off the CNC writing. I mean, it looks so similar, it's not even funny. You know what I mean? How that is all set up. Anyway, thanks for taking a look. Sandparts.com. We'd love to help you out. CNC, we have a ton of this stuff in stock. This part here, we have a ton of this stuff in stock as well. So just give us a call or go to sandparts.com and place your order. Thanks much. Bye.